Hey, hello hackers, welcome to Hacker Associate. In this particular section, we are going to learn how to install Windows 7 on Apple M1 machine, and that exactly is a part of my Apple M1 pen test series. So here most of the people ask me the question regarding this. Harsha sir, how we can install Windows 7 on Apple M1 for like testing many things. So I'll tell you the two important reason like why I recorded this particular video. That's the number one. So simple see like suppose I need to perform a Windows privilege escalation basically practices, or I need to test a lot of exploit on Windows machines, and specifically to create a different machine in virtual machine, basically Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7. So right now we are using Apple M1. So in that particular case like we have a lot of issues regarding to the Intel machines, right? So we only support I think ARM chips. So that is basically the problem. The first, Windows privilege escalation. The second case, some people also want to perform a malware analysis. Like they need to understand how the malware work, how to execute, how to create a processes, and many things regarding to the malware research and reverse engineering. And that case, like Windows 7 is very important. And again, it's not only Windows 7. We can install Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7, anything. So I'll give you the software name. I'll give you the tools name in the practical section. So just be with me for this particular video, and I'll see you in the practical session. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it and see you in the practical. Thank you.
Let's begin. Okay, so now basically I'm going to show you the practical things, and I'm going to show you the tools and the technique. Okay, like how we can basically set up a particular Windows box for malware analysis and reverse engineering, and specifically if you're looking for Windows privilege escalation, then you can use it. So see, this is the tool basically I'm going to use. This is called Merge VM Pro, one of the finest tool. And this tool, okay, you can easily download, okay, from the App Store. You can simply go to the App Store, and here you can simply search here VM Tech. Let me just type it, and you can see this is basically software. So you can clearly see that I have two software here. One is called VM Tech, and second is Merge VM Pro. So let me just search here Merge VM Pro. When you search it, and you can see clearly is open, and open in the sense it means I have installed this particular software, okay, in my machine. So this is a paid application, but it's a great application, and even I always recommend when I test the thing, okay, from my end, and I tested it is working perfectly. Anyone I'm give you a demo, okay, in this particular section you can check it, and if you like it you can simple basically install it, or you can purchase, okay, from this particular App Store. The price is not I think much. You can check, okay, like under that pricing section. I'm not sure, okay, what exactly is the price of this one, but I think maybe 3000 under, okay, you will get this particular software. Okay, so this is all about it. And if you just read this information like multi-platform virtualization, effortless installation, pre-configured gallery, and many things are available there. So without wasting time, I'm going to show you. So you can see when you open it up, you will see the Merge VM Pro will be here, right? And after that, when you simple go here, there's two options. One is create a new virtual machine. Second is browse Merge VM Pro gallery. When you click here, it's going to redirect, okay, to the particular application. You can see clearly you have a lot of operating system available there. You can use Windows 8, you can use Windows 11, you can use Windows 10, and in my case basically I require Windows 7. So even if you can check, okay, like automated malware analysis, right? So we are using this website for automated malware analysis. So this is basically app.any So you might be familiar about this application. So when you use this particular online application, so they are giving a online Windows box, okay, for malware analysis. Okay, so specifically in Apple M1, if I want to do the same, I'm not able to do that, right? So now I have a software, and now easily I can basically implement the same thing. So you need to simple log into this particular account, and you can clearly see that, okay, like it have a lot of fine options available here, which you can basically use it for your malware hunting. Okay, so in my case I need to log in, but this I'll leave to you. You can simply log in and you can check the things here. Okay, so in order to avoid this, because here I need to pay the amount there, right? App.any run. But when I use this particular VM, and I can use many VM, I can deploy it here like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, and many things, and I can configure accordingly, and that will help me a lot to understand Windows exploitation as well as malware analysis. So when you simply go ahead and click on this play button, and you can see clearly it is running and it is working pretty fine. And I just given okay like just 2 GB RAM, and you can see 2 GB RAM, it is working very smoothly. And good thing is I also tested the networking. So if you can see here, okay, like I'll just click here okay, and you can simple come out from this. So these are the options are available okay under this area. Okay, you can simply go to the top area, and you can see in my case it is selected already. So if you have Ethernet connection, you can connect it. If you have any other connection like Wi-Fi, you can also connect it. So you can clearly see that okay, preparing my desktop is pretty good in this 2 GB RAM, and you can see ask me later because I didn't activate this my Windows machine. This is only for demo purpose. So when it is done, I'm going to show you the thing. See, so this is Windows particular 7 and is working pretty fine, right? And it is personalizing. So when it is done, I'm going to show you everything. So I set up okay this Windows machine for Windows privilege escalation. So we are preparing for offensive hacking security exam or offensive security exam. You can basically you need this machine for configuration and learning the concept like Windows exploitation and Windows privilege escalation. Also, as I mentioned, you can also use this machine for malware analysis. So here it is, and you can see in my case all software everything is installed okay in this particular machine, right? So even okay, you can see clearly the network is working perfectly, and even if you go to that terminal, and I can easily check the network. So I can go to terminal here. If I just type if config, and you can clearly see that okay, this is the Windows network. So I can ping that machine. Okay, this network basically. So if I simple go to this particular machine, and you can say I'm able to ping the machine. This how okay you can configure okay like Windows box okay for Apple M1, and I think you can use it this machine for your testing purpose. I hope you learn a lot of new thing today, and for new video stay tuned with me, and we will learn or we will explore cyber security together. Thank you. By the time have a great day. See you in the next video.